Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the brand new Dji Pocket 4P, and yes, the P stands for Pro. A lot of people have been waiting for this one, and the biggest upgrade is right here. You now get a 20mm ultra-wide camera and a 60mm telephoto lens. From epic wide shots to tight cinematic frames, it promises a lot. But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Starting with the 20mm camera, it uses a completely new 1-inch sensor, different from the Pocket 3 and regular Pocket 4. The headline feature? A massive 17-stop dynamic range. Thanks to low-fic technology, it captures impressive detail in both bright highlights and deep shadows. In the standard color mode, you get ready-to-use Rec. 709 footage while still benefiting from that huge dynamic range. But if you switch to the new D-Log 2 profile, you unlock the full potential for color grading. That means more freedom to recover highlights, lift shadows, and fine-tune your footage. Sounds technical? Here's the simple version. The Pocket 4P produces fantastic image quality straight out of the camera. Even in harsh backlight and high-contrast scenes, it keeps an impressive amount of detail. Now, while the 17-stop dynamic range is exciting, I think most people will be even more interested in the new 60mm telephoto lens. A telephoto lens creates natural compression, making backgrounds feel closer and subjects pop. It also gives you beautiful background blur. Unlike wide lenses that need careful framing, this one makes composition much easier. That's why so many beginners love medium telephoto lenses. They simply make photos look better with less effort, and the Pocket 4P delivers exactly that. The background blur genuinely surprised me. The transition from sharp to blurry is smooth, and the bokeh looks nicely rounded. Achieving this in such a small device is seriously impressive. Compared to the 3x telephoto cameras on most smartphones, the difference is easy to notice. Despite being only slightly larger than a phone, the Pocket 4P delivers noticeably stronger optical performance. I was also impressed with how well it handles difficult lighting. Even in backlit scenes, there's very little purple fringing or chromatic aberration. The images stay clean and refined. If I had to describe it in one word, it would be clarity. For portraits, the 60mm focal length is especially useful. It's a classic portrait focal length because it looks natural and avoids distortion you get from wide lenses. Plus, it blurs distracting backgrounds effortlessly. Whether you're shooting friends, your partner, or everyday moments, this lens is incredibly versatile and consistently produces attractive results. For video, both the Pocket 4P and standard Pocket 4 support up to 4K at 240 FPS. The 60mm telephoto camera goes up to 4K 200 FPS, which is worth remembering if you plan to shoot slow-motion footage with the telephoto lens. For everyday use, though, 4K 60 FPS is still the sweet spot. It delivers excellent image quality and smooth, natural motion, making it the mode most creators will use the most. Another feature I really like is the ability to switch instantly between the wide and telephoto lenses while recording. No stopping, no interruptions. It simply gives you way more creative freedom. The built-in beauty mode is also surprisingly customizable. You can adjust beauty strength, skin whitening, and skin tone. DJI has even added 6 cinematic color styles, including the popular CC-NC profile, which looks especially amazing outdoors. The Pocket 4P comes with 103 GB of internal storage. That's enough for nearly 2 hours of high bitrate 4K 60 FPS footage, or around 3 hours at standard bit rates. For most people, an external memory card won't even be necessary. In fact, during all our outdoor shoots, we never needed one. We did notice that adding a memory card makes the camera feel slightly heavier during long handheld sessions. Still, at around 230 grams, it's about the same weight as an iPhone 17 Pro Max, so carrying it all day is no problem. There is one small downside though. DJI doesn't include an official protective case. During our outdoor shoots, we either dropped it directly into a backpack or used the included pouch first. Neither felt particularly convenient. Hopefully, DJI or third-party brands solve this soon. Now, let's talk about battery life because the results were impressive. We recorded 4K 60 FPS video on both the Pocket 4P and Pocket 3 from a full charge. After 1 hour, the Pocket 4P had used 46% battery, while the Pocket 3 had already consumed 58%. At 1 hour and 40 minutes, the Pocket 3 died completely. The Pocket 4P still had 22% left and finally shut down after 2 hours and 2 minutes of continuous recording. Interestingly, that's almost exactly how much video its internal storage can hold. DJI seems to have balanced battery life and storage with incredible precision. And here's another surprise. All testing was done indoors at 25 degrees Celsius, and neither device showed any overheating warnings before shutting down. So, what do you think about the Pocket 4P? At first, the 60mm telephoto lens seems like the biggest upgrade, but honestly, that single addition completely changes how this camera can be used. The Pocket 3 felt like a compact camera you carried around. The Pocket 4P feels different. It feels like a camera we're genuinely happy to use as our main shooter. With optical focal lengths from 20mm to 60mm and up to 240mm with digital zoom, it covers almost everything we need. Calling it a true one-camera solution really isn't an exaggeration. While filming this video for the Xpeng GX9, around 90% of the footage came from the Pocket 4P. It became our primary camera, and our larger camera turned into the backup. Why did that happen? Because the new telephoto lens gives us the focal lengths we use most, add the impressive dynamic range, lightweight design, and simple workflow, and the Pocket 4P naturally earns its place as our main camera. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, drop a comment, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!